For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is getimes.co.za. It's Mamelodi Sundowns in the final of the CAF Champions League. Second final for Sundowns in a row. Third final for Coach Miguel Cardoso in a row. He's a man, and I suppose as a man who wants to achieve big things, he's not going to like being in the final for 3 years in a row and not winning it. I'm sure wherever he is now, he's dreaming of finally winning it. For Sundowns and the institution, Topi Mutsepe, Ndate Patrice Mutsepe, and everyone else associated with the club, it's been 10 years since they last won the CAF Champions League. So they've been dreaming for 10 years. Coach Miguel Cardoso has been dreaming for 3 years. It's the third year in the final. So finally, I'm sure he'll want to win it. Junior Kanye, our analyst, what did you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikulo John Fitch.
Sure.
Ngibulise wena obvious success in a new game ngicela ukubulisa game after the game eKaizer
Sure.
Chiefs. Yeah, no, well done to Sundowns. Masterclass from this guy who I think the coach Mikel Cardoso. Masterclass from him. Mangiti masterclass. I was not convinced the way the guy afika khona ku Champions League last year. Ngikhuluma last season. This year, I think the guy ufika ku Champions League convincing by beating Aborulani. Beating these guys Esperance away. Well done. We're talking about Esperance that beat Al Ahly at Cairo 3. And omunye umuntu might say this game was easy. Not an easy game. I think Sundowns today, well done to the coach. Mangiti masterclass from this game. Ubo mentioned something very important. I think the coach Enzil in today's game. Labachita Laba, I think they're dangerous on the wing. Not Africa how they play, but Lalangama wing. A coach Sundowns, I think that's the reason why he played Ngomrena. Udlala Matthews. Those guys, they are not attackers, they are defenders, if I can be honest to you. They can defend better than attacking. Intermanzile, they press Lama wing back, which is the right, they press to Keita. On the left hand side, they press Ngwenyalem. I think very technical, very good. They play Dala on the left hand side. Those players, they are very dangerous. And this guy, Okpelu. Mkwena seated with him Mangasu Mkwena Jaden Adams. I think he supplied labantu yaphela yonke. Now it was difficult from this guy to get this guy Dalo. Look ordinary, honestly, today.
Yeah. It's a big difference from
look
the first
ordinary,
leg.
honestly. Look ordinary. The movement of the ball, poor. But no more move if you ball and figure such ordinary. But Sundowns also they never played first half. If I can be honest, they sacrifice. I think Captain Supply Nabu Iba limited not to play. Play more in the midfield at the back. Build up in the midfield. Did very well. Also Lino, man of the match for me. Lino, him and Kipidu. I think Sundowns, Kipidu, they've got a big fishing, so he pinned again. Jaden Adams. Sundowns, they've got best midfielders in the Africa as a continent.
Yeah.
That's for me.
Yeah, as a combination, they're very good.
Best midfielders combination. Well done. Sundowns, they've improved also defense compared to last season. Defense, Kipidu. I think him and Grant Kekana, they pair. They've got good pairing. And this guy, Kulman Ndamani, today was honestly, because everybody was supporting Sundowns.
And there was a big question, sorry to cut you, about exactly that centre-back pairing. How are they going to look like? Undamani Zobanjani. He handled himself very well, but of course you have to think that Esperance didn't ask that question too much, but he never looked out of place.
Yeah, honestly speaking, that's why I need to credit to coach Mikel Cardoso by telling his defense to sit in Kulmanga wing back kwakhe. This guy Lungu, Tapelo Ulom, Mdau, and these two, Damane and Kipidu, also tell Debza to sit there. Him bebadlala double 6 monga check emile. Yes, sort of no manga bebeka push alanga Jaden Adams not much joining on the box. Beanga joining. Umuntu bebamnikile that freedom. I think this guy Sales. But now honestly we let you coach down. Akusumuntu on speed. You want Sales, you can't play on the feet in Ngisho modlala international. Mele ukwazi ukurana behind, ukwazi ukudlala off the ball. Mawuzodlala against these guys it's very easy, more static. And ucoach into bekayifuna between him and Leo. Bekafuna boyi-2 ba complementane. But naye uLeo ngoba mangamcheka. Ama wing forward to Sundowns. They would track back watching these two. I'm wing back. Keita very technical. Mangamcheka this wing back. Na first half we got first round of this yale game le. Away, we got told this strike utalo. Ama kona kikasha we technically set piece we technically very good. We was told the strike, but in the bayenzile babegu Mkwena, babegu Jaden Adams. This guy never saw. I think the striker Nkuluma Keita na wing back kwabo. So credit to Sundowns. Second half, well done to the coach. I think it's too predictable Sundowns. Mina bengazi saphe yabo vele ukuqala kuzoba this guy is going to come from the
Allende.
bench. Allende. I think if you want to see Sundowns ngihlale ngisho the identity, the philosophy mawufuna ba manage game, you put Marcelo Allende. And now Marcelo is completely changed. You understand? Marcelo Allende is playing more next to Ipale manje. Omunye umuntu uzodi is going to keep Sundowns mabafakwa Allende, bafuna keep his shape, keep the ball. No, Allende is taking shot. Mama checka good shot from Allende, the goalkeeper. I think begane this thing with an extra touch. Good shot from him. And also na Uchidin Adams, good shot. That's why I need Sundowns they got 3 best midfielders in Africa and other teams, I think they follow. That's for me. That's why Inter Miami's good, the best. I think it's these 3 midfielders. They understand one another. They understand what the coach wants from them, and they've been scoring goals, assisting as well. Also, well done to Mrena. Well done to this guy Matthews. Better second half, because they were getting the epoxing match, and in terms of assist, and they created a couple of chances. But first half, they never done that. But this team, they lack creativity, running out of ideas.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell with the Esperance, if I can be honest. Sometimes make this team look ordinary. If I can be honest to you, play long balls to the goalkeeper, Ronald Williams, getting no one. And now making so many subs. I think when Zama subs like 5, they never add anything. They couldn't even have touches the ball in. Honestly, they look ordinary. They look. Bengatak team win this tournament. They played ordinary football, especially for me.
The winning goal for Sundowns. Let's talk about that moment, that incident, the penalty, the missing of the penalty, and everything around the winning goal.
Yeah, I think the way they, as a Shido, this team they can't play the goalkeeper. I don't think they've got these comfortable goalkeepers. Even their centre back too. They play with height. They're not willing to play on the ground. I'm a centre back. So the goalkeeper is worse. Aksumunto, mama check up a goalkeeper, but they're tall. I think they are happy to have a tall goalkeeper.
Sure.
No man right in your win. Now go by throw in badlala ku-goalkeeper yalivusa u-12 trapper because it's not good akusinto yabo liyavuka le bhola. I think it was a penalty wele yanliyo ukuthi athashe le bhola nge-forehead, and then now it was a penalty. Honestly for me the penalty was poor. Noma ngabe kune power behind the ball, but azange lise wide, he never picked a spot there. He was lucky the goalkeeper because he wanted to handle the ball, and then ball labuya kuye, but because it's clinical by finish wasebenzisa linyawo. I think the game was iphelele lapho game. Check the game and this is a game was bengasi game create ama chance amaningi both teams, if I can be honest. Even Sundowns, they playing in South Africa, yes, they dominate second half. I would say better Sundowns, but they never created chances. Rangers came here, no matter run. I think the game plan from the coach is keep the ball and keep the shape. But this team gave on. I'm very disappointed as far as the way dlaling ngakhona. But Sundowns on another level. Yes, singakhuluma sithini. Ibukeka ngathi simple this team, and this team will harass you. I mean, ubonile they go to the referee. If gune elbow nyana, if maybe gune shoulder to shoulder, they go to the referee. If referee go strong, we end up if I live against one, and you need to be strong. Well done to Sundowns to remain even humble. I'm talking about their players to keep Mamela and the coach. And I mean, we compliment Sundowns.
All right, last one. We're running out of time. Sundowns, you still believe that the experience and the ability and the way they handle the game, that they could go all the way and add the second star?
This was the final before the final. That's for me. These guys, they were dangerous more than the team that they're going to play against. That's for me. Because this Esperance team, beating Al Ahly Cairo.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, Singacho said Sundowns today they're better than them, but this is not a bad team, honestly. Sundowns, I think homework yabo nje bayenzile. Sesikhuluma ngama analyst, the coach. Michael Cardoso ngimshayela izandla. Nama was very critical to this coach, but credit to the technical team to stay. Babe stereotype and say, let us be patient to this guy, give him time, and look at the guy what he has done. This was the final for me. If final I don't think the game is so difficult more than this one. Lebo idlala ngikhuluma nge-final home and away. Now final game be difficult, especially playing away, getting results. That was done for me. So Sundowns is a winner of the tournament. That's for me.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. Mamelodi Sundowns will go to Morocco in the first leg to play against AS FAR or Berkane. We'll find out, of course, who will be the other finalists tonight, as those two teams, AS FAR, of course, are 2-0 up. And I think AS FAR has played against Sundowns in the group stages last year at the beginning of the season, or the beginning of the tenure for coach Miguel Cardoso. So he's gone there before, and I think they got the result, or they got a draw before. So we'll see. We are covering Kaizer Chiefs against Polokwane City, so don't go nowhere. We'll be back later on. It is TV, it is Times. What's sweating?
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.